Shout out sa inyong lahat. I-update natin tong value ng 10 baht Ramadi 10 first portrait issuer Thailand King para Bajira Clau Ramadi 10 Bajira Long Corn 2016 to date. Type standard circulation coins years 2018 to 2023. Calendar Thai value 10 baht. Ang value sa Pilipinas ay 17 pesos. Currency baht. Composition by metallic, copper, aluminum, nickel, center in copper nickel ring. 92% copper, 6% aluminum, 92% nickel ring. 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight 8.5 grams, diameter 26 mm, thickness 2.15 mm, shape round, technique meld, orientation coin alignment to kasi baliktaran to. Obverse bust facing lip of Maha Bajilong Corn Ramadi 10. Reverse crown monogram, Thai script 10 baht. Ito yung 10 baht oh. Age segmented reading. Ay laktaw daw. 15 segments with 5 reds in each segment. Ang presyo ng 2018 very fine 28, extra fine 39, almost uncirculated 45, uncirculated 53. Mahal din siya kumpara mo sa 17 pesos. Mahal sa aking mga silent viewers dyan. Baka naman pwede makapaglambing ng follow, pa-like, pa-share. Kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Salamat.